Hello and welcome to this second video dedicated to woodLAB's Create Cabinet feature. To use the Create Cabinet feature, go to the Alkema and catalog and drop the Create Cabinet feature into the scene. Let's quickly create a standard cabinet with a recessed back. Click on the Cabinet Wizard, which is the first icon on the Cabinet Manager toolbar. Choose the first configuration, add a recessed back and validate the cabinet. The cabinet will then appear in the scene. In the list, you will find each part composing the cabinet. These have been added according to the configuration and properties chosen when you validated the cabinet creation wizards. By selecting a part, you will access to the right on the properties specific to the selected part. On the cabinet in the scene, the selected part is displayed in blue, and you will find a visual reminder of their main properties and the location of their anchor. Select the back in the list, make a right-click on it. In the menu, you will have various possibilities. The first four options allow you to hide the parts in various ways. The next two options allow you to group several parts. Delete element allows you to delete a part. Copy element allows you to copy this part and its properties. Replace by library allows you to replace a part with one from the woodLAB's part library. Panel Manager will display the part properties window. Click Delete Element. The pack has been deleted. We will add it again. To the right of the wizards that are now grayed out, the first tool available allows you to add an element. By clicking on it, a drop-down list appears. There are several possibilities. Create a lateral, a back, a horizontal. Remember, these terms are woodLAB system terms. Get from library allows you to import a part from the woodLAB part library into the cabinet. Select the type of part you want to add. Here, we will add a back. Create skirting allows you to place a skirting in the cabinet. The following tool allows you to copy this cabinet. By clicking on it, a pop-up window will open. Now you just have to indicate the number of copies, the distance between the cabinets, and then choose a direction by checking or unchecking the box. Once validated, woodLAB will create as many copies as you enter. The following tools allow you to improve visibility by giving transparency to unselected parts. Interesting feature, but requires a lot of graphic resources. The last function allows you to check if there are interferences between parts in the cabinet. Let's go back to the part properties. Select the back that we have just added. Let's focus on the upper right section of the Manager cabinet. In the General tab, you will be able to rename the part and edit its material. You also have the possibility to change the direction of the material grain. Switch to the Finishing tab. Here you will apply the covers and edge bands. If you have a CNC, don't forget to select a stop reference or a face. These properties are arranged in the same way as the additional properties of each panel and the panel feature of the Alkema Tools catalog.